Hi, I'm Lisa Carver. I'm the director of the Portsmouth Area Chamber of Commerce. I'd like to invite you to our webpage at portsmouth.org. I'd like to point out a feature that we have, the community calendar. It's found on the top bar of our webpage. You just give it a click and you'll see all the events that we have coming up for the year. And these are community events. Let's go into May. To go to the next month, you simply click here. And let's take a look at the event on May 7th. Safety Town. You'll notice with the event, it gives a full description. On some events, you will find web page links, phone numbers. We try to give as much information as we can. And you always find the date and time, location. If we have an exact location, you can actually bring up Google Maps, and that will show you where it's located. And another neat feature is set a reminder. You can click right here, and it will actually send you an email reminder. You put in your email address, and you click on when you want your reminder, and hit submit. And that will send you a reminder for the event. I think that's kind of a neat feature. Also, on every event, you will notice the share button. This is the share button, and this allows you to print it, email it, add it to your calendar, or share it on all of your social media sites, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Then to get back to the calendar, you just hit this arrow right here, and that takes you back to the calendar. One more feature about the calendar that I would like to point out is the way you view the calendar. This is obviously the full calendar view, but you can click on this little icon right here, and that will give you the card view. If you just would like to kind of scroll through the events, each event should have a search icon. We usually use like a logo. You'll notice for Portsmouth Raceway Park, we use the Raceway Park logo. If there's an event logo, we use that. You can search these events by category. You'll notice various categories. If you know you're looking for a holiday event or something, you don't have to use a category. I think this is kind of a good feature. You can actually go by date. And I'm going to give you a full year view here. Just go for the year and hit search. And you'll notice it brings up every event that we have listed for the year. You'll see that there are 62 events. You can click on each event to get the full details. Let's give it a little bit of time to download, and you can see all of the events. And if anyone has an event to share, we invite them to give us a call at the Chamber at 740-353-7647, and we can get your event on the calendar. And if you're a member, it's very easy to do it yourself. If you are a Chamber member, just give us a call and we can walk you through that. And then, of course, to get back to our home page, you can just click on the Chamber icon. But take a look at our community calendar. It's a great tool to use if you're planning events, just trying to find something to do in the community. Just give it a look. Thank you.